Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today's video is all about the series that I have going on called A Doll a Week. So it's a really pretty day today, and I decided to come outside and do a little videotaping of A Doll a Week. So I have a whole bunch of dolls in this bag, so I'm just going to grab one and we're going to talk about it. All right. This is Ben. So, years ago, when our youngest child, whose name is Benjamin, was little, I bought him this doll because his name was Ben. I'm trying to remember what show he came off of. All right, so I looked it up, and it says the 1994 Fisher-Price My Friend Ben is a 14-inch vintage plush doll featuring Ben Olafson from the children's TV show The Puzzle Place. These dolls are known for their soft multicolored design. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So, The Puzzle Place. That was the TV show that he came off of. But he's in kind of rough condition because he was played with quite a bit. But isn't he cute? I'm wondering if I could throw him in the washing machine on delicate. And I think I probably could. Maybe put him in like a pillowcase and just put it on delicate cycle and then let it air dry. I bet he would do fine. But anyway, this is my doll of the week. Have you ever heard of this doll? Let me know down in the comments section below. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.